How to recover Gmail password. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can recover your Gmail password. Now, there are a few ways that you can recover your Gmail password. If you are logged into your account on your device but you forgot your password, here is how you can recover it. Simply open up Gmail app here and then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen and then tap on manage your Google account. You'll be headed to this page. Here what you want to do is head into security option and scroll down until you find the option manage password. Here you can see, if you scroll down below, you can see your saved passwords and password manager. Simply tap on password manager option, and if you scroll down below, you can see your google.com there. Simply tap on it and you'll have to enter your password, and then here you can see your Gmail and your password. And if you tap on eye icon there, you'll be able to see the password. However, if you are not logged into your account and you're having problems logging in because you don't remember your password, here is how you can recover it. Simply head into Google here and then on Google Chrome search in for account recovery. Simply search in for account recovery Gmail and tap on the second link, the recovery email here. What you want to do is here tap on the first link, how to recover your Gmail account or Gmail, and then select the language here and scroll down and tap on recover your Google account or Gmail. Here you can see on the screen, simply tap on it and it'll take you to this page. Now what you want to do is type in your email here, and once you type in your email, simply tap on next and then it'll send a verification code to your number. Or here you can see I've already signed in because I'm already signed in, but if you aren't signed in, it'll send a email, recovery email, or it'll send you a confirmation code to your phone number and or your email address if you're logged in, and then you'll be able to log into your account. So this way you can log into your account. Hope this helped you. You can recover your Gmail password. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.